If D&D were a nature documentary out in the suburban plains, a young dungeon master. He's preparing a homebrew campaign in hopes of attracting a PC. It is tiresome work, but he hopes it will be worth it in the end. A knock on the door. Perhaps his plan has worked. A murder hobo. In the wild, a murder hobo can ruin up to 6 plans a session. A brash display. What will the young dungeon master do? Did he make the wrong choice? Decide in the comments. Remember to follow, and thank you for watching.